Okay, good morning. Right there is where we slept in the wind all friggin' night.
So much wind!
So much wind. Holy cow. I thought it was gonna tear the tent apart all night long. Neither of us got any sleep. The tent walls just went like all night. And it's super
Not
loud.
like all night. All night.
All night. Not like all night. All night. And it's super loud. I had earplugs in and it was not enough. So we got up super early this morning because we looked at each other and we're like, I'm awake, you're awake, and neither one of us slept. Let's just get the hell out of here. So we're up and running. I think it's like 7 o'clock. So yeah, but the view's great. Now we really know why there's a windmill farm over there, or a wind turbine farm on the other side of this little hill. So oh, just taking a quick little video of all of that. Ah, it's so awesome. The valley down there is pretty amazing too. Oh no, I lost Tiger! Just another day at the office, you know.
Is that a dust devil down there?
Ooh, it is. Let's see if I can.
In the middle of all the windmills, the dust devil.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I'm not even sure if it's worth talking over the wind, but yesterday we put together a plan to do 20 miles, 10 miles the first day, 10 miles the second day, because we had to do a water carry for 20 miles, which means we brought, I don't know, I think 6 liters each just to be safe, and because we were dry camping, so personally I probably need like a liter for 4 miles. So to go 20 miles, I probably want 5 liters plus a liter for camping overnight, so 6 liters. And that worked out pretty good. This morning I dumped maybe a liter.
I didn't dump it.
So yeah, but today,
Chucked it.
so yeah, yesterday our packs were very heavy. That's an extra 13.2 pounds each. And today I've got 2 liters. I'm not sure.
I'm carrying 2.5.
Actually, I think I'm carrying 2.5 as well. So our packs are back to their normal weight and super light. Plus, I'm almost out of food because we're supposed to get a resupply in town either the end of today or tomorrow. So I'm ready to run down the trail and I'm fighting it. So, okay, I'm ready to go. Ready to go?
Let's do it.
All right. All right, gang, if we can get in the frame, we got to 200. Woo!
Yeah.
5 more miles to water. That's the reward for 200.